I have two close friends who are into IT. They make a lot of money. I'm not gonna call the amount here, but they make more than 150,000 a year. And one of them was even telling me that she has a friend who makes $500,000 a year, just doing some of this, having some of these skills. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very well. If you're new to me, my name is Sylvie. If you're returning, welcome back. So today I want to give you 5 on-demand IT skilled jobs, okay? So I see a lot of people in my young and independent community, and I think it's something that is becoming increasingly popular, but maybe it's late, maybe it's not. But today I wanted to bring the 5 IT jobs that are paying $100,000+ a year, and I want you to take these information and find a way to learn these skills, because the world is moving towards technology. Whether we like it or not, technology is going to define the world. ChatGPT is here already, Jasper.io, whatever, all these different Midjourney, whatever, all these different things are coming into light, and I'm like, whoa. So I wanted to bring you guys these IT skills that are on demand, and I want you guys to make the best of this information. The first skill, for me, the one that pays the most is the one I'm going to tell you the last, okay? I want you to stick around. I'm going to tell you the one that pays the most. Okay, so the first one is design. Under design, the skills that you need is UX design, website design, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Although ChatGPT is threatening these different roles, but they had illustrations and photo designs and web designs that I don't think AI is going to be able to do. So if you improve yourself, you will do really well. And currently, those who are in this particular category, they're earning between $75,000 to $263,000 a year. Can you imagine? And right now, we don't have any barriers, because you can be in Cameroon, you can be in South Africa, you can be in Kenya, in Ghana, in Tanzania, and you can do these jobs, okay? You just need to have the skill, and the employer will come to you. The second one is game development, okay? You all know that people, young people are crazy about games nowadays. Can you develop games? The skills that are needed are game design, Unity 3D, and animation. Can you do these things? I was just watching a video before I jumped on this to make this video, and this guy was saying that the anime videos on YouTube that have 2 million views, like shorts that have 2 million views a day, it's insane. And do you know how much you get paid for that? You get paid for AdSense. So listen guys, if you have game development skills, you can earn between $56,000 and $260,000 a year. The third one is mobile app development. I'm talking about ISO and Android app development, user interface design. There's an app that I use every morning and every evening to pray. It is a prayer app, and this app is so, the app just pops up, and until I pray, it won't let me be. It keeps popping up and interrupting whatever I'm trying to do, and I have to pray. So can you develop an app? There are so many single women. Can you develop an app for single women? There are so many single mothers. Can you develop an app for single mothers? Can you develop an app for the handicapped in your community? I know I was speaking to one of my young and independent gentlemen, and he was telling me that he is developing an app for the blind people in his community back home in Cameroon. And I was like, whoa, that's amazing. If you can develop this app, there are many other ways that you can monetize the app, but just as an app developer, you get paid by other companies between $56,000 to $145,000 a year. Okay, if you can develop mobile apps, you can get paid this amount, and you can also use those skills on freelance website platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, that people making 360,000 a year. It is insane how much money we can make when we have the ability to add value. For me, it's all about adding value onto other people's lives who are willing and able to pay for the value that we bring. Now, the fourth one is web development. What are the skills that you need to be a web developer? WordPress, PHP, MySQL, HTML. If you have these skills as a web developer, you're able to earn between $63,000 a year to $141,000 a year. And let me tell you guys, before you click out of this video and say, oh, all those things sound too fancy for me, there's nothing that is too hard to learn. Nothing. I was listening to a lady, a podcast of a Cameroonian lady who actually swapped from, she was doing language. She was doing a PhD in language in Germany, but when she went to America, she swapped, and she's into the IT field, making a killing. She's making so much money. I have two close friends who are into IT. They make a lot of money. I'm not gonna call the amount here, but they make more than 150,000 a year. And one of them was even telling me that she has a friend who makes $500,000 a year, just doing some of this, having some of these skills. So you want to absolutely jump on the bandwagon, because that's the direction the world is going to. And if you can do these things and master them, then you are going to be a winner. The last one, which is my favorite one, is coding. Java. These are the skills that are required. Java, HTML, CSS, PHP, and back-end development. Can you do back-end development and coding and all these things? Be mindful that ChatGPT is doing some of these things now. If you're doing basic coding and all that, I'm sorry, you're going to be kicked out of the job very soon. But if you're doing something more advanced that AI cannot do at the moment, then you're entitled to between $100,000 to $220,000 as income for a year. Guys, that's a lot of money. So the base, that's actually the highest base. The other ones were 75,000, 56,000, 63,000 as the minimum. But this one coding starts from $100,000 to $220,000, and you can actually make more if you have more IT jobs. That people who literally put 3 computers at the same time in front of them, and they're doing all these roles at the same time. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, right? If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share. I need more Africans to win. I need more Africans to make more money. I need more Africans to have this information. Enough of all these things that we go to study at school, which have no jobs. That's why we have so many graduates who are broke. So it's time to do what is in demand. And these are the jobs that are in demand. These are the skills that are needed for each job. And all you need to do is learn them, and the job will find you. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.